on camera. I woke up today, looked at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted. Come on, can't be too late, the boss is so demanding. Open the door up, and to my surprise that you were standing. Who needs to go on to $1,100?